In Chinese, we say 黄瓜, 黄瓜. In English, we say cucumber, cucumber. In Chinese, we say 西葫芦, 西葫芦. In English, we say zucchini, zucchini. In Chinese, we say 长瓜, 长瓜. In English, we say long melon, long melon. In Chinese, we say 四季豆, 四季豆. In English, we say green beans, green beans. In Chinese, we say 辣椒, 辣椒. In English, we say chili, chili. In Chinese, we say 蘑菇, 蘑菇. In English, we say mushroom, mushroom. In Chinese, we say 玉米, 玉米. In English, we say corn, corn. In Chinese, we say 西红柿, 西红柿. In English, we say tomato, tomato. In Chinese, we say 抱子甘蓝, 抱子甘蓝. In English, we say Brussels sprout, Brussels sprout. In Chinese, we say 卷心菜, 卷心菜. In English, we say cabbage, cabbage. In Chinese, we say 菠菜, 菠菜. In English, we say spinach, spinach.